I don't want to fall, I don't want to fall, I don't want to fall. Just look at this. Oh my god, no, 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 no. Oh my god, no. Hey, like that. I was really not planning to swim today. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh, here is very icy. Hello everyone. As you can see, we are once again off-road with two nice guys, with Laura and Chu, the guy that you already know on the KTM 890 and the first time when I meet him on a KTM 790, and we do some tracks, something like that, but I think it's his own track actually. I don't want to fall, I don't want to fall, I don't want to fall. Ooh. This is a bit crazy. How did we get here? How do you come up with ideas like this to choose the tracks? You can clearly see that where is a bit of sun, then the track is quite dry. I mean, just muddy. And if there is oh my god. And if it's in the shade, it's completely frozen because it's minus 4 degrees in here. I mean, at least in the morning. Now it's getting warmer. But yes, it's very, very, very cold. Extremely fun though. The bike feels very nice. Opa! Just look at this. Oh, a small jump. Wow, that was unexpected. I love it. Hello. Say hello and then go. 80 kilometers per hour, that's how you feel it. I'm close to Laurencio so I can record him a bit. Oh my god, this is tight. Oh my god, that was my helmet. I'm also touching with the mirrors because they're quite wide. Jimmy stuff was, wow, so cool. That was so cool. I forgot to speak English. That was too cool. The drift. Whoa. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, no. Whew, this was very close to a crash. This is the sand, the crazy sand that I hate. I don't think I can do that. I can try. This looks very muddy. Oh, that was by mistake. Oh my god. It is very muddy. Don't go away. I want to be close to you. I was really not planning to swim today. We are playing a bit with fire. This is so close, like literally the smallest slide. You don't have time to control it or to do anything to save it. And this is also very icy. Oh man. Wow, I feel much better now. In here, very muddy, very muddy. Nice. I swear, all the trucks in the Netherlands, they have to be next to the water somehow. Next to a canal. It's always like this. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Laurencio took all of them. Oh no. Ho ho. Hey, like that. I think Laurencio didn't want to make the bike dirty. It was not in his plan, I think. But this is my favorite, I swear. This kind of mud is my favorite. If it was after me, I would go in the middle of every single muddy puddle in here. Every single one. Oh my god. I was not expecting that. So much ice in there. Oh shit. I think Laurencio doesn't care anymore now. What were you saying like 10 minutes ago, that we are gonna have the bikes to clean today?
I wanted to say I'm gonna take it back. The part with the clean bikes, I'm gonna take it back.
Like
Full time, just like pretty wet.
like when I saw the puddles of mud, I was like, I would just go straight in. I don't care. Oh man, I love this. Yeah, I'm used with this, you know. That's like my field. Oh man, I love that. That's my expertise, I would say, if you can call it like that. Oh, here is very icy. Look at this. We just found some more single tracks, so that's what we're gonna do right now.